Take a look at this, guys. This Fender Eliminator kit from Yoshimura is awesome, and it was really pretty simple. You basically have these 3 screws right here and a couple tabs over there, and they give you the heat shrink in order to be able to do the wiring. Hey guys, Kyle Bradshaw here, and today we're going to be doing the installation of the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator on this 2019 Honda Monkey. This here is a Fender Eliminator bracket from Yoshimura, and as you can see, it is extremely smaller than this big, huge thing hanging out the back fender of this Monkey. So tonight we're going to be doing the installation of the Fender Eliminator. It's going to look just like this. So we got the whole plastic fender removed, and now we're in the process of installing the light onto the Fender Eliminator bracket.
Really interesting.
Alright, so right now we're doing the wiring for the license plate. Okay. And there we have it. Take a look. We have just the license plate hanging off of the rear fender. That looks way better, guys. Love it. Thank you, Yoshimura. Thank you for joining us on this Fender Eliminator kit installation here on the Honda Monkey. This Yoshimura Fender Eliminator kit is extremely easy to install. Anybody can do it at home in their garage with a couple simple hand tools. Now also, please notice this beautiful full system exhaust that we installed just prior to doing the Fender Eliminator kit. Please take a look in the description for the link to that video there. It really is a simple job as well and provides a lot of character and power to this Honda Monkey. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, take care and ride safe. This is everything that we took off tonight. Look at that. Ugh. Sorry, Honda.